Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about some simple ways to make money online by using Binance. Most often when you want to make money online, the common thing or the only thing we used to do on Binance is to trade and get money or do arbitrage on Binance and get money. But in this case, I'm going to teach you one of the simplest ways to get money without investing in anything. This is by Binance. We know that Binance is one of the biggest crypto wallets in the world as of now. So anything they bring is very legit. So if today happens to be your first time coming across any video of mine on YouTube, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I drop a new content, okay? So share this video for your friends to get the benefits as well. So without wasting my time, let's get back to this video. So as I said earlier on, Binance is one of the biggest crypto wallets which can be found across the globe. You can search on your search engine the biggest crypto wallet, and Binance will be part. Either it will be the first or second one. Talking about these ways to make money online with Binance, this is with Binance Pay, and you can see people are winning some amount of money over here, of which it is legit and real. So in order to get over here, the link is in the description. Kindly tap on it, and in order to get over here to proceed whatever I do over here. So you can see invite more friends, get more crypto red packets with your friends. So someone may ask one of the reasons why I should get a Binance account for yourself. So one of the main reasons is that you can receive money from any part of the world into your wallet by Binance, and if it's crypto, you can sell it by peer-to-peer or sell it to your friend in order to get your money in your mobile money wallet or bank account. So Binance is very good and the security is very high. So what you have to do is to tap on the second link in my description in order to get a Binance account verified within some few minutes. And I'm gonna make a video on how you can get a verified Binance account within a day or less than a day. So here you can see that this ends in 12 days, 13 hours and some minutes over here. So we have 12 days. I'll make sure that I post this video as soon as possible for you to enjoy this. So what you have to do is to tap on claim. I've already claimed mine. Is to tap on claim and everything will be yours. So the simple task for you to do is to share the link with your friends. Your friends claim the reward and you get an extra reward. So this is kind of recommending something to someone and you'll be given a commission. In this case, the person is not going to invest in anything before he gets something. The person is not going to invest in anything before you get something. Just share to the person gets something and you get something. And this is one of the ways Binance wants to improve Binance Pay, because one of the easiest ways to send money to or send crypto to your friends is through their crypto wallets, asking for their crypto wallet and sending it to them. And Binance is, and there is this new feature, or it's not even new, it's an existing feature, but a lot of people don't use this feature. Just get a Binance Pay of your friend, just input it and send it to the person, and this works for every crypto which is listed on Binance, provided it is being listed on Binance. So just get the pay ID of your friend, insert it, and one amazing thing is that when you insert it, the name of your friend will be shown on the ticket before you send this particular crypto to your friend. So in this case, you're not going to lose money when you're transferring your crypto to your friend. Let's take it for example. If I asked you to send me your crypto wallet address, I'm going to send you some few bucks and you send it to me. Mistakenly, when I pasted it, I added just 1p or just a letter, and when I send it, it will be transferred, but it won't get to your account. It won't arrive in your account. And this is one of the ways to curb that particular problem. So what you have to do is to check the link in my description in order to get here and be working with Binance Pay. This is very simple. You're not going to invest in anything, as I said earlier on. So let's go to the rules and listen to some of the rules. As we used to say, every game has its own rules. So there are some terms and conditions over here, and there are a lot. You can read it in order to get the understanding. I've already read this, that's why I give you some simple explanation over here. So you can tap on understand, move your way. So when you claim your reward, you will be getting something into your Binance account, and you can sell this to your friend P2P. As you can see the prompts over here, 87 USDT, this got 83, and this is legit and real. So in order to get this, what you have to do is to simply tap on this share icon on the top right corner over here. Tap on it and you can see a crypto red packets giveaway. So claim your crypto red packets for free from Binance Pay now. So the first one, don't worry, I used to say Binance, I used to say Binance. It's the same app. It's the same app. So I can say Binance, I can say Binance, but I prefer saying Binance to Binance. Okay, let's proceed with the first one. So the first one is for you to open the Binance app. Why do I keep interchanging it? Open the Binance app, scan the QR code, claim crypto QR code, claim crypto red packets for free, and what you have to do is to invite friends to get more crypto red packets. And this is, you can see it will end soon. So this is my referral link. Simply tap on the copy icon and it will be copied to your clipboard, and you can even download your QR code in order for others to simply scan it and get to this particular place to claim their reward. If you want to share it right away, tap on the share icon and you can share it through WhatsApp, Telegram, Snapchat, and any other place. So if this video is helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and leave it in the comment section if you have any challenges or if you get some amount of USDT. And this varies. I got 3 USDT this morning and people can get 25 USDT. It varies. So the more you invite, the more your USDT or your reward will be higher. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Let me know in the comment section how much USDT you got after claiming this particular crypto red packet giveaway. Thank you very much for watching my video. Let's meet on my next video.